Yeah, I'm back. What's up? I just got a package, man. It is not sealed too good. I don't even know what it is. I can actually see through in here because it's just like a tucked package. It's not actually sealed. I got stuff coming out of it from Swees Direct. Okay, so yeah, it's from China. Let's open this thing up together, man. See what's in it. So that's how you open it, man. I hope everything that was supposed to be in here is actually in here. I don't even know what it is. Okay. Well, whatever it is, it's a lot of them. 7 packages. Okay, so what we got here? Oh, Gear S3 Frontier. What? These are watch bands. Okay, let's do this, man. All right, we're gonna unbox these together. We're just gonna put them away. We're gonna do one at a time. Let's put this one right there. Oh man, I'm excited about this. Grab my unboxing knife. We're gonna do one at a time so we can evaluate. And I got my gear on right now. It's ready to go. Okay, let's send this one. Put that to the side. Swees watch band featuring 3 impressive performances. Made of genuine leather, finely made and comfortable. Exclusive aluminum alloy clasp and steel head. Slim and easy disassembly. Classic buckle, minimal design, lightweight and flexible. Swees. All right. Is this like wood? Man, this is a sturdy cardboard box. It feels like wood. Whoa. Oh, okay. Well, let's look at this first. This is like a valued customer card. Have more fun. Swees. Have more fun. Man, this box is something serious. So this is a black leather watch band. Oh, it's nice and soft on one side. It's got your quick detach clasp right here. That is leather. That is nice, man. That leather, and I like that design. I don't know if that's an animal print or anything like that, but this is nice, and it's not stiff either. It's very, very pliable. Oh, it's got the black buckle. That's nice since I have the dark watch here. All right, let's put that right here. This is nice. Okay, hold on. Yeah, we got the little leather heart right here, a little leather sample. That is nice. Man, I'm smelling leather all up in this mug, man. This is nice. Okay. Let's take my watch off, man. Let's put this right here. Let's see how my watch is actually gonna look with this thing on. Take my little sport band off. Let's show the Gear S3 some class. Now, I'm probably not going to put every watch band on the watch. I don't know. I'm debating that because that's just time consuming. But I do want to check them all out. So maybe I'll just end the video with my favorite of these bands on the watch. But as for right now, we have black leather. And like I said, it was quick detach, quick application. And it's soft on the other side, man. It is soft. And it's pliable. I've had some watch bands that were super stiff. That looks good. I really like that. Man, that looks good on the watch. I'm gonna sport this band. I don't wear a lot of black watch bands because I'm a color dude. I like tan and browns and different colors, but man, this is classy. Much better than my other black watch band that I have. So let's put the watch right there. Let's open up the next case or the next watch band. I have me a big old mess to clean up here. All right, let me see if I can do this one a little better than my last one because I almost sliced everything up with that last opening. All right, what do we got here? Blue. I do not have this navy blue. Whoa, this is fresh. Okay, so this blue, this is a good looking blue. It's kind of got some highlights in it. It's like a bluish purple. That's pretty fly. It's like a bluish purple. Let me see if the color is on here somewhere. Let me see. Nah, there's no color on here, but yeah, it's like a bluish purple. That's really nice though. Definitely real leather. Man, that is nice. Good touch. Squeeze. Got your little leather deals there. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, I gotta put the band right here. So let's show them some respect. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, I am digging this company. So far, all the bands have the same design, but it looks good in every color so far. Man, I wish I would have had this over the weekend. I had on some fly outfits this weekend, and none of my leather watch bands looked good enough to wear with it. I just had to improvise and just wear, you know, just because your watch is so far away from your belt and your shoes. I'm a dude that matches his belts and watch bands and shoes, man. So I think this is a great match for what I had on this weekend. I'm definitely gonna have to go check that out to see if that's a good match. But this watch band looks fly, and I'm smelling that leather. The more of these watches I open, the more of these bands I open, the more that leather smell just comes out, and it's just, whoo, I'm getting high off it. Man, that leather smell, I love it. Okay, let's put this one right here. Let's put that one right there. Show us some respect. Okay, what's next? What we got? There cannot be that many colors of leather. So all these cannot be leather. I would be impressed if all of these are actually leather bands. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, we got dark brown. Okay, so that's a medium brown right there. Now we got dark brown. This dark brown has accent colors in it. It's more of a, I don't know what you would call that as far as an animal print. Maybe gator? I'm not sure, but it has a little, has dark brown. It's got a little shine on it too. It's got dark brown and it's got some black in there too as accents. So it really pops. Man, let me put this one on the watch real quick. This is real nice. So these dark ones, brown actually, when it comes to leather, brown does not do my skin well because I have brown skin. And so when it goes up to my skin, it kind of just fades away. So that's why I'm always picky about my browns. It's gotta look good with my skin. Put this on though, because this one looks good. That looks real nice on the watch. Oh man, that's clean. Let me just buckle it up. You smelling that leather, man? Can y'all smell that leather? Golly, that looks good. It feels good too. It's not stiff. I really like that. And I can tell that the more you wear it, the more it's gonna break in and feel comfortable on your wrist. And it's got a great clasp system here, this buckle. I like the black. All right, let's leave that one right there. That's clean. That's clean, Swees. Is it Swees? Swees, y'all are all right with me. All right, so yeah, there's no color printed on here. So you don't know what you get, man. You just open it and get surprised. But so far, I'm happy. I'm just happy with all my surprises. Let me open up this one. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's a black one, but it's got a different print. Let's bring them up to each other. Okay, so this one is it's a more, I don't even know how to describe these. So this is more like a snakeskin print right here, maybe even alligator. And this, I don't know what that is, what kind of animal that would be, but I don't know. I think of my favorite. This is the one I like right here. This one right here, it's got a little bit more of a shine to it. It's more on the lines of this brown one right here. They're in the same class. It's a nice band. Very nice. Okay, let's put this one on this side. That way we can differentiate between the two flavors of black. All right, we got two more cases to open. Let's see what's in here. Let's see if these bands are up to speed with the rest of them because I really like the rest of them. All right, I missed on that one. Okay, there we go. Ooh, it's like a reddish brown. Okay, back to the original design. It's got that open grain. I'm gonna call it open grain because these are more condensed. These are more, you know, more elaborate designs where this one's more open, and I really like it. I like this reddish brown. This is fresh. I gotta find me an outfit. I got some shorts. I got some shorts that will match this band phenomenally. This quick detach watch band stuff. I wish this would have been like this like a long time ago. It didn't really happen until smartwatches came out because people needed to change bands all the time. And I think Fossil might have been one of the first kind of companies to do it. If I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong. This looks good. It looks good against my skin too. Oh yeah, my shorts. I got a pair of shorts that are about this color. Oh man, they ain't gonna like it when I put this band on, man. Ooh, them haters ain't gonna like that. Okay, yep, that's leather too. Man, they hooked it up. Okay, let's put that. That is a fresh look. Oh my God. Okay, so that's my favorite one so far. The reddish. We're gonna call that burgundy. We're gonna call that burgundy. Yeah. One last case to open, and we'll see if there's a beautiful band inside that is different from the rest. Will this be my favorite? Holy crap. Smooth grain Okay, this is fly. Smooth grain. It's got the black. It is definitely, this is not leather on the back. This is like some felt material. Ah, but that's leather on the front. Oh man, it's got the smooth grain. This is fly. Wow. Okay, I already know my two favorites. All right, so this is it. You got, oh man, y'all gotta check these bands out. Shout out to Swees because, or Swees, just have more fun. That's what they tell you to do, man. I love this new collection right here. I like all of them. If I had to take some out, oh, what would it be? Okay, so these right here, the snakeskin type of leather, let's take these out. These are great. I love the texture and the depth, but these right here, oh man, these right here are sweet bands. My goodness. Okay, hey, now y'all know, go back and watch all my Gear S3 videos, man. Y'all know I love me some faces, I love me some watch bands, and right now I'm an extremely happy man. I got a lot of color to work with right here. This is like a burnt orange kind of color. If you're a UT fan, or you just got some fly gear with some burnt orange, or maybe some champagne like brown stuff, like some shoes or something like that, or a belt, this one right here is a great match for that. And I cannot wait to sport this watch band right here with my shorts, and I gotta probably find some more stuff to sport it with. I am digging this navy blue, bluish purple. I don't know what color this is, but it is fly. I gotta find me something to wear with this one. I think I already do. This brown right here is beautiful. Oh, I wish I would have had this one this weekend. And this black makes me want to wear more gray and black when I'm dressed up. I don't wear a lot of gray and black when I'm dressed up. I'm usually wearing like some purples or some blues, or you know, some browns or something like that. But I think I might have to sport this. I gotta find me a reason to sport this band. I love them all, but these are my faves. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. But before I do, I'm gonna go ahead and put these bands on the watch one by one and let y'all see them. But before y'all click off the video, y'all better make sure y'all tap that like button and smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.